Hi everyone. In this session, we will see how to log into WebLogic server and how to install WebLogic. Okay. First we will see how to log into WebLogic server in 12.2.2. Why? Because in 12.2 already WebLogic will be installed. So let me cross verify what could be the URL. See, first what we have to do, we have to find the WebLogic port, and the formula will be uh, it should be http colon my host name and 7001 is the WebLogic port and slash console. So let me cross verify what is the port number in 12.2. So we have to open this context file, go to yep, application note, and from there we have to say we have to open the context file. Okay, we got the context file, and in that we need to find the keyword s underscore ws admin port. So find it. Yep, I got the port number 7001. So it's saying that WebLogic server admin port is 7001. Okay, so take this port and put it here somewhere. Put it somewhere. Yeah. Say for example, I kept here. Now we need to find what is my host name. Okay, this is my host name. So take host name and put it here. Yep, same thing I have written here as well. So it should be http colon slash slash ebs node 5t.db.com 7001 slash console. So take this URL and put in browser. So it will take some time. Okay, we got it. So here I need to give WebLogic username and password would be welcome one. So it may take time. See, we got the WebLogic screen. So in that, say for example, I want to see the domain structure. So I'll click here and say click on server. Okay. So these are the servers we have admin server, we have farm server, or we have OA core, we have OFM servers, and on which machine they are running, or what is the status, what is the health, and what are the port we have for every. So every information we can get about my server. Okay. So for example, we want to see the services or messaging or data source. So now most important thing is that in case of WebLogic, we are getting the request from team, hey, I want to reset my WebLogic password. So what are the steps we need to perform? So a step I have, I'll share with you. Yeah, changing WebLogic password. So let me increase the size. Okay. So this is all about changing the password for, okay. So what we have to do, click and log and edit the change center. So let me log into a WebLogic server and see this one. So what we have to do, we have to log and edit. And after that, so click on the summary of JDBC data source pages. See here. Okay. And follow the steps. Okay. It will ask the change new password, enter the new password, click save. So likewise, we can change the password, and after changing that, we have to say activate changes. So whatever the changes we have done, that will be populated. So these are the steps that I'll share with you. So this is all about changing the password of apps schema. Okay. Okay. So go to security, go to security tab, go to advanced, and see here mention the credential, password of node manager, password, confirm the password of node manager and save it. So these also I'll share with you. Okay. Now we will see how to install WebLogic in 12.1.1. Why? Because in 12.1.1 manually we have to install WebLogic server. So let me log into node DBS node 3. Yeah, this one. Sorry, not this one. Okay, this one. Yeah. So let me check the config -a/more. Password is 09. Okay, let me log into 09. Okay, so root welcome one. So this is my 12.1.1 server. Now I have SOP for that. Let me open the SOP. See, in this file I have mentioned how to install WebLogic on Windows machine and how to install WebLogic on Linux machine. So installation in Windows, it's quite easy. We will get the setup file and just we have to say next, 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 and it will install your WebLogic. So we have to click on setup. You will get this screen. Just say next. Okay, create new middleware home. Give the location SQL and apps Oracle middleware. So I wish to receive security update. If you wish, please click. Otherwise, leave it. So what kind of installation you want to perform? Typical installation or custom? So I'll go for typical. Okay. So just next. Mention the location. Mention the path. Select next. This is summary, installation summary. What it's going to install? To install core application server, admin server, and so many stuffs. Okay. It will say the progress of installation. So installation on Windows, it's quite easy. Now we will see the installation on Linux. So we know for WebLogic we will have a different server. So in etc host to file, we have to give the entry about my WebLogic server. So here I have given 92.168.1.198 and this is my server name and this is my short name. Okay, so we have a different server with the IP address 192.168.1.198 and the host name is weblogic.dp.com and the WebLogic is short name. So in that server, what we have to do, we have to create one group, we have to create one user, and we have to create the directory structure where I want to install my WebLogic. So I have created three directory structure with the name of FMW11G, domains and application. Okay. So in that location, we will install Oracle, we will install WebLogic, and in this location, I will create the domains. And here I'm changing the ownership and giving the C775 permission. Now what we have to do in the bash profile, we have to mention the path of my middleware home. So here what I did, export mw underscore home and the complete path, export WebLogic home. So this could be the location and I'm doing export. So this line is not required, we can skip. And most important thing is that we have to set the Java home. That's an important point. So we have to set the Java home. And how to install Java? See, from Oracle side, you will get the RPMs, and we know the command with the help of RPM-UVH and the file name. Or we can install as Oracle user as well. So same command I need to use tar-xvf and this file name. Now, if you want to install WebLogic, what you have to do? You have to go to that location, and from there you have to invoke Java. So let me do some practical. Okay, so log into my machine. Yeah, I logged in here. So let me follow the document. So as for the document, we have to create these directory structure U01 app Oracle. So let me create, copy and paste it. Okay, done. I have created the directory structure. Now change the permission. So chown -r Oracle DBA space. So this location, and this location. And apart from that, chmod -r 775 and give the permission. Okay, now login as Oracle user and edit the bash profile. So take this one. I will take the complete one and I'll put here. Okay, so here I'll put as a comment fmw home details. Okay, so done. Save and execute the bash profile one time. Yep, we have done. Now go to the document. What has written? Okay, install Java. Okay, so let me cross verify where we have a Java. Okay, login as a root U01. So I think in this location I have a Java. Or if I don't have, we can download and we can install. Yep, Java I have a Java. Okay, so rpm hyphen uvh and this file name. Might be I'll get a message that already Java has been installed. Okay, it's doing some preparation. Okay, it's taking time. See, I got the message. Is already installed. It means we are good. Now we will go for next step. How to install WebLogic. Okay. Okay. So directory structure we have created, and we have given the proper permission. And when I am trying to install Java, it's saying that Java is already installed. Okay, fair enough. Now I need to install WebLogic. Okay, so for that I require the GUI, and GUI I can get in the VM directly. So come to this way. Okay, so X host plus. Yep, let me cross check. X clock. Perfect. I got the clock. Okay, now so WebLogic I will install through Oracle user. Okay. So the most important thing I told you, we have to set the path. We have to set the path of my Java home. So how to set the path? So export Java home equals to the location where we have a Java. Okay, fair enough. So go to the location where we have a software. Okay. So this is my software, WebLogic software. Okay. Now let me check which Java I have. Yeah. In this location I have a Java. So what we have to say, export Java underscore home equals to USR. So in this location my Java has been installed. Okay. Now let me execute the command. So command would be from Java home, we have to call Java, and we have to mention the path of my software. Okay. So might be command I have. Yep, command I have. So here I'm mentioning my Java home, and I'm calling this utility and the location of my software. Okay. So let me say enter. We say enter. Let me increase the font size as well. Just 2 minutes. I think I can increase. No, I cannot. Oh, leave it. Okay, leave it. So Java home, from Java home, I'm going to call Java utility hyphen jar and the software file name. Let me say enter. So it will take some time. It will extract something from .jar file, and I will get the GUI. Okay, I got a failure message. The message is that etc aura inst.loc validation failed. Okay, so let me cross check. Checking CPU about 300 gigahertz. Yeah, megahertz. Yeah, actually it's a 400. Sorry, 4000. Must be configured the display. Yeah, it has been passed. Swap must be greater than 512 MB. Yep, it's passed. 64 Java. Okay, fine. Okay. So it's saying that invalid operating system group name. Enter the valid group. Okay. So let me cross verify what is the issue we have in that. Okay. So cancel that one. Now cat etc aura inst.loc. Okay. So in that, what is the inventory? Okay, it's saying that o install. Okay, let me check the location which we have mentioned. Oh, I see. See, the permission is root. So that's why it's giving me an error message. Okay, not an issue. So exit and let me change the permission. Go to putty session. So chown -r oracle dba, or we can say o install, whatever. Okay, so let's o install and the path which we have created. Yeah, this is the path. Okay, o install, o install, and this group and this group. Okay, change the permission for this one as well. So chmod -r chmod -r 775 u01 /apps and slash. Okay, now let me execute the command again. So -oracle export java home. Okay, say which java which java export, or sorry, java underscore home. Okay, java underscore home equals to /usr. Go to u01 weblogic software, and here execute the same command which we have executed earlier. Same command I will execute. Okay, this one. Okay, unable to access. Okay, what happened? Okay, the file name is different. File name is different. Take this one, put it here. So we will wait for some time. It will do again same extracting. We'll wait some time and we will continue. Okay, so we got this screen when I said Java and this complete path. So it is asking for inventory location. So let me give the inventory. It should be u01. I think. Okay, let me cross check. Let me cross check with cat etc aura. Yep, u01 db aura inventory. u01 db aura inventory is the location. Okay, and installation group is o install. Say okay, and see, this is a log file. We can check the progress. So tail -f. Yeah, so we can see what is happening in my WebLogic. See, we got this screen. So one session is for log file, and from one session I'm going for installation. So it's saying that Oracle Fusion Middleware, welcome to Oracle Fusion Middleware 12.1.3.0.0 Logic Server and Coherence Installer. Say next. See, the important part is installing Java and setting the path. If you have set the path completely right, you will not face any kind of issues. So which Oracle home we have to choose? Okay, Oracle home we have already created. Okay, what was that? Yeah, this was the middleware home. Okay, U01 app Oracle product. So U01 app Oracle product and Fidel middleware. Okay, fine. Say next. Now you want to install a logic server. Okay, so this is a summary. It will install core application server, and these are the information. So what we have to say, we have to say next. It will perform some checking and it will continue. So we will pause the video. Once the installation has been done, we will cross verify the installation. Thank you. Okay, so I got the confirmation, checking operating system certification, checking Java version used to launch the installer. So it's 100% and everything is green. So if you are interested, you can open the log file and you can cross check what the thing happened in the background. You can cross check. See, it's a big log file. You can cross check this one as well. So let me close this one and let me say next. Now, if you want to receive any security update, you have to mention your mail ID and Oracle support password. So I'll skip that one. Say next. You have not provided an email address. I'll continue. Yes. So now this is a summary. What could be the Oracle home location? What is the file location? Disk space, how much required, how much free we have, how much available we have, and the feature set to install. So these component Oracle will install. If you want to create a response file, say for example, in the future you want to install Fusion middleware again for some other server. So what we can do, we can create the response file, and with the help of response file also we can install WebLogic. So I'll say next. Okay, it has been started. I'll pause the video. Once it has done, we will back. Okay, so installation has been done. Let me say next. So it got 100%, all the successful task. Say next. So this is a summary. Okay, finish. Okay, let me log into WebLogic server. Okay, so we have seen how to log into WebLogic server in 12.2.2. We will see in 12.1.1 as well. Now we will see how to stop a WebLogic server and how to start WebLogic server in 12.2. Okay, so go to that location. Go to admin script. See, this is the file. Okay, so let me check the status. It is asking WebLogic password. I'll give welcome one. Asking apps schema password. I'll give it two. Okay, say it's saying that admin server is running. So what I will do, I will stop admin server and I will try to connect. Either I can access my URL or not. So I'll say stop logic password welcome one password of apps. It will take some time. So stopping with logic admin server. Okay. Now let me try to access the URL. See, when I'm trying to access my URL, so it's saying that unable to connect. See, now let me start admin server. Okay, start admin server. Password welcome one. Okay, we will wait. Okay, so I got the status 0. Let me open the log file. Okay, so come down, come down. Okay, I have given the wrong password, is it? Okay, let me try to. Okay, not an issue. Yeah, it's working. So username password. Okay, fine. So likewise, we can install a logic server. We can stop the services. We can shut down the services. And apart from that, there are so many options in WebLogic, like how to create domain, how to create a node manager. Okay, so this is all about the WebLogic. I will share the videos with you guys. Thank you.